Hello everyone, welcome to Reactify Labs. Before moving forward with React application and writing code, let's talk about different files and folders which we have here. So these are the files and folders which are provided to us by Vite. And let's start with Node Modules folder. This is the folder that contains all the dependencies of the project, including the React libraries. Vite provides us these libraries which we can directly use. Next is public folder. Public folder contains static assets that are served directly to the user's browser, such as images and texts. Next comes the source folder. This SRC folder contains all the source code of our application. Any code that we are writing, we will be writing inside the source folder. Next comes index.html file. This file is our entry point to the application. Whenever we run our server, this is the file that is hit first, and then the call goes on to subsequent files. Next comes app.tsx. This is the root level component in a React application, and it is responsible for rendering all the other components. Let's see a few things here. Here, export. What does this export do? This export is used to make the exported component available for import using import statement in other files. To make it more clear, let's open another file, main.tsx. And here we can see we are importing app. And we have exported this app from here, and here we are importing it in main.tsx file. So there are other ways for this also. Instead of exporting like this, if we write it export default, then we can import it like not like this, then we can import it like this. And if we have exported default, then we can name it anything we like, and this will work perfectly fine. But this can be done only if we have exported default. Each file can have only one export default statement. Okay. Next, there is one more thing called React DOM. What is this? React DOM is basically a JavaScript library, in this case a TypeScript library, which converts components to the actual browser DOM. Before that, let's understand what is TSX or JSX. TSX is basically a modification of JSX, a more strict version of JSX, which allows us to write HTML code inside React. So if you see here, we can say div, a, h1. These are HTML like syntax, but they are not HTML. These are TSX in this case, or we can say JSX. React converts them to React specific format, the thing which can be understood by React, and helps us write our code in a more clear, readable format. So that's it for this video. Thank you for watching. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you.